Hey, Jessica. How goes our dog walking biz?
You're looking at 2 satisfied customers. You put up my flyers?
Match. And with the money we earn, we can afford the advanced release of Skull Blasters 360.
Because what I need in life are more video game explosions? No. Some of us need a new outfit for the spring fling party. I've got an outfit for early spring and another for late spring. Hello! This dance is a mid-spring thing. Boys. Gina, what's the word?
Already getting calls on the flyers. More dogs need walking. I'll text you their address.
Spring fling, here we come.
Hey, have you guys been watching the news?
Only to see the sports bloopers. That stuff's awesome.
No, man. The Venture Falls Zoo? Last night, the animals totally busted out.
No way!
They caught all the animals except for one. A lion is still on the loose. It could be anywhere.
You're kidding, right? Lion!
Lion? Where?
Razzle! Hang on. More calls on the flyer?
Business is booming. I'm gonna need your help. I'm running out of hands.
Sorry, I will when I can, but, something's come up.
There are rumors in Gorm that Magmion has acquired a new steed. Drakon. Drakon is a volcano ancient guardian of great magical power. He's one of the ancient guardians. Ancient guardians? You're talking about immortal creatures that haven't been seen for, ever. I thought they were only legends.
Dude, seriously, how do you know all this stuff?
You like to watch bloopers, and I like to read.
So, if Drakon really does exist, and he's been found by Magmion...
Sounds like a bad combo.
The worst. Your mission is to get to Gorm and get to the bottom of these rumors.
Elementals!
Air!
Water! Forest! Earth! Reveal to us the Keeper, and give to them your chair!
And the Keeper is... Air! And could you keep your furry friends off the furniture?
Prepare to get your Gorm on, boys. If Magmion's in the forest, then so are we. Okay, guys, Travel Tome says you're right on target.
No sight of Magmion.
Are you sure? I'm picking up a major magic reading in your area.
Like, how major?
Like, major.
I'm sensing something too. I feel all tingly. It's the forest! It's alive!
It's not the forest. It's that.
Whoa!
Ancient Guardian.
Drakon?
No, this one's a forest ancient. That means it's true. The ancient guardians of legend are returning to Gorm.
Dude, no sudden movements.
It's okay. It's like we share an unspoken connection.
Makes sense. You're a forest Gormiti, and so is this guy.
Troncalion. His name is Troncalion, and he's angry. He's trapped.
LoliRocks. I've never seen him this powerful before. LoliRocks?
Hey, finally something you don't know. What was that?
I don't know, but let's get this over with and fast. Jessica?
LoliRocks, got it. You're looking for 3 strategically placed magic crystals.
The crystal triangulation must create some sort of a magic snare. Yikes! You have any idea how much power is in those things? You've got to be very careful.
Razzle's right. You want to bring all 3 of the crystals together over Troncalion. Carefully.
We can't reach.
Come on, guys. It's cool.
Dude.
Dragon!
You can meddle with my traps, but you can't stop me from taming that beast.
We'll see about that.
On it, guys. You're good to glow.
Elemental powers flow! Gormiti, lords of nature, go! Powers of the sea! Strength of the stone! Force of the forest!
Attack!
Breath on that thing! Time to rinse out that mouth! Hello.
You can't extinguish the ancient fires of Drakon, boy.
Well, it was worth a shot.
Deny.
Another feeble attempt to delay the inevitable.
Oh, snap.
Glow dropping to critical levels. Guys, your orbs are empty.
Okay, that was intense.
Super blasty banana intense.
Nick?
And now, Troncalion. You belong to Magmion.
Troncalion.
Today the ancients, tomorrow the world. Your world.
What does he mean by that?
Troncalion! Come on, we've got to...
To what? You're just a kid, and your pal Trunky there isn't really himself at the moment.
His name's Troncalion, and he needs our help.
Which is why you need to recharge. Toby's still got glow. He can track while your orbs glow up.
Promise me you'll stick to Magmion like glue.
By the orbs.
By the orbs of Gorm!
Sorry, Gina. Can you say that again? What about the dogs?
There are too many of them. You thought escaping zoo animals were wild. You should see these dogs. I need help, Jessica.
Ow!
Jessica, help now or I quit. No new dress, no spring fling.
Okay, don't panic, G. Help is on the way. Come on, your orbs are charging. What else are you going to do?
Gina! Are you okay?
Hi, Lucas. I'm doing much better now that you're here.
The dogs, Gina. Where are the dogs?
Oh, you should have seen it. Jumping, tugging, barking, licking. It was a nightmare. I'm only one girl. who is still fielding date offers for the spring fling.
We've got a woof at 12 o'clock. Gotcha! Oh. Hello.
Oh, no, you don't!
Oh, yes, they do! Here!
Little help!
I got your back! Lion!
Hey! You've got him on the run!
Great job, kids. You okay? Venture Falls Animal Control. We'll take it from here, son.
Sure, thanks.
Wow. Did that just happen? Hey, that's enough. Good boy. It's this one here. He takes the lead and the others follow suit.
Wild dogs and a lion in the park.
I know. What could be more exciting than that?
Nicely done, Jessica. When you track a magic signature, you track a magic signature.
Troncalion?
In the flesh, or whatever he is.
An ancient forest Gormiti? I'm guessing plant stuff.
What's he doing down there?
I don't know. That magic signature only tells me where, not what or who. Any sign of Magnion and his new pet?
Funny you should ask. Here comes the fun part!
Track me if you like, but there's no sneaking up on Drakon.
What is he doing out here anyway?
Aside from ruining my afternoon.
Huh? Now what?
By the oars!
Uh-oh. Dude!
See, Ancient.
I think I understand what Lucas was saying about Trunky. You and me are like, we're connected. I'm Toby, and your name is Tentacleon. Why do I know that? This is awesome. Okay, tell me something else. You're here to rescue the Ancient Guardian? Oh, you mean Trunky?
Hey!
Yeah, let's spring Trunky.
Oh, boy.
Come and try it, boy!
Get thirsty? Oh, no, you didn't! Tentacleon!
Abandon ship!
Toby, you're not an air Gormiti. Stick to the water where you belong.
I see you're all charged and good to glow.
Thanks to our keeper, Jessica.
Sandstorm!
I love the ocean, but it's always so windy at the shore.
Where's Magnion?
Gone! With the Ancient Guardians.
Okay, what did I miss?
We're almost to the top of the ridge. How are the readings over there?
Nuts! Each time Magnion enslaves one of those big guys, we're seeing effects back here on Earth.
Rift activity?
Tons! And it's not just animals going wild anymore. Reports of shriveling forests came in when Troncalion was captured, and reports of lakes drying up with the capture of the Sea Ancient.
Tentacleon.
Right. It's like all the elements of Earth are withering away.
We've got to free the Ancients from Magnion's control and fast. What's he want with them anyway?
And more importantly, where exactly are we going?
The Cavern of Roskamar is just over the ridge atop the valley.
The Cavern of Roskamar? According to legend, that was the last...
The last known location of the Earth Guardian.
Bad news. No ancient guardian.
Good news, no Magmion either.
Yeah, tracking his magic signature now. It's kind of weird-orama. He hasn't moved from the valley.
Toby, Tentacleon emerged from the sea to rescue Troncalion, right?
Yeah, it was like he knew his ancient brother was in trouble.
So Magmion doesn't need to find the Earth Ancient. He only needs to bring the Ancients close enough to lure him out. Nick? Earth to Nick.
Dude, you okay?
The Ancient. He's close. I can feel it.
He's here?
Yes, and his name is Roscallion. Whoa! I'm telling him to stop, but he's compelled to help his kindred.
Then it's our destiny to help too.
Destiny? I just realized we're in Destiny Valley, the most magically charged place in Gorm.
Guys, I did some cross-referencing in some scrolls, and I've got bad news. The earthbound rifts we're seeing are symptoms of an impending portal.
Four ancients in Destiny Valley. A culmination of power to make a portal to your world. I can't wait to see what it's like, so I can destroy it. Go on, try and stop me.
Guys, even you are no match for the combined power of the Ancients.
It's not the Ancients we want.
Hurry, guys! The portal is expanding!
My army of ancients is invincible.
We've got to free them from those callers.
Easier said than done.
I've got a theory. Like the dogs in the park, one is leading the others, Drakon. We destroy Drakon's collar, it will deactivate the other collars.
My ancients! You stole my ancients!
The Ancients don't belong to you or anyone.
No, but my lava steed is still loyal to me. One of these days, Super Gormiti, I will learn your secrets. And when I do, you will bow to me. Come, Drakon. We live to fight another day.
Looking good, guys. You did it.
Shouldn't we go after him?
No, our work is done here. The Ancient Guardians are free.
Welcome back to Gorm, guys.
That's a pretty good haul for a day of dog walking. Until you split it 5 ways.
There's barely enough for a makeup kit, much less a dress and shoes.
Excuse me, you're the kids that fought off that lion in the park today, right?
Yeah?
I'd like to pay you for an exclusive interview.
Seriously?
Hello? Oh, sorry, no. We're officially out of the dog walking business. We're getting into television.